fell so low, so low, like a waterfall. My tears dropped to the floor, they left a swimming pool of salted crimes, crimes. Oh, what could I do to change your mind? Nothing. I'm bracing for the pain and I am letting go. I'm using all my strength to get out of this hole. I hit a wall. I thought that I would hurt myself. Oh, I was sure your words would leave me unconscious. And on the floor, I'd be lying cold like glass. But I hit a wall. I hit a wall. What's the call? You're just another break, and I must let them out. You're just another break, and I must let them out. Yeah, I hit a wall. I prayed that I would make it through, make it through. I can't survive the life that's without you, that's without you here. And I will rise up from the ashes now, the ashes now. Oh, the sparrow flies with just the crumbs of loving still. I was bracing for the pain.